I got some Dynamat right here. I got 2 subwoofers. And my trunk rattles a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all this off. Probably all this off. And these. And put Dynamat under it. So it doesn't rattle. Alright, I gotta get something to drink to prepare myself.
Okay.
Pretty sure it's this. I mean, it makes sense.
It looks like it's a little loose here.
Yeah, it rattles for sure. I'm just popping plastic off. So I pinpointed my rattling into this section. Figure, you know, maybe this is rattling. Maybe this little cord's rattling. So I duct taped it up and it was still rattling right in here. So I took this piece off and it still rattles. And this side, let's check it. I mean, this is still on, but it's just when I knock on it, it rattles on that side. So I think this wire is just rattling around in here. So we pinpointed the rattle to a clip on this wire somewhere right around here. We lifted it up and we pulled the cap off here, which I'm gonna put it back on. And a couple rocks fell out, but that didn't do too much. So the rattle was right in here. And we tried, you know, whatever we could do with the cord. But we just ended up sticking an old piece of a t-shirt in the hole right here. And it doesn't rattle anymore. So I'm thinking that there was one of these metal clips or whatever that was holding it in and it was rattling. Well, it wasn't holding it in, it was just rattling. And you know, it doesn't rattle too much anymore. So what we're gonna do now is put Dynamat in, like across this whole thing, you know, across here, across back here, and see what we can come up with. So we're just gonna wipe this off. Wiping it off so the Dynamat will stick. Maybe just some of this. Get this dusty Shiites out of here. Code word. We're gonna put it something like this. All right, so we got the Dynamat out here. Just kind of roughly, this is pretty good, honestly. So now I'm just pushing it down, getting in all the cracks. Alrighty, so we fitted this in. And then from there, we went crazy with little pieces. Could have looked better, but you know, whatever. It's like a little puzzle. So yeah, so we got boom, boom along the sides, along these little pillars. Along down here. And I'm gonna put this piece right here. And then I think that's gonna be, we're gonna put this bad boy together, okay?
Okay.
Let's do this stuff. Okay? Okay. So now I'm putting these pieces back. We got all the Dynamat everywhere that we can possibly put it. I mean, not really, but it's pretty good. Now we're just fitting it back together. So we just tested it out with some heavy bass songs. The rattling is like 80% gone, I'd say. I mean, this car is made out of plastic, so there's definitely a little bit, but I don't want to take all the, like, all right over the doors and everything. I don't want to take it all off. So for what it is, it's awesome. I adjust my sub a little more, or my subs, for a little more bass, a little deeper. Just a little bit back there. Got my cool shift knob. Got a 350Z. Now we got less rattling in the back, which is pretty sick. Thanks for checking this video out. You can go along and you can Dynamat your own 350Z. And you might have a little more idea what you're doing, because you learned from me having no clue what I'm doing. Now I'm going to go eat my Culver's concrete mixer and watch The Mandalorian with my girlfriend, Madison. Thanks for watching. See ya!